Hi there, I'm Beth and today I'm here with a special Pusheen Box opening. It's a quarterly subscription box. I'm not sponsored or anything, I've just treated myself to a one-off box because the theme is plants and I knew I would love whatever comes in this box. So if you haven't seen one before, here it is. I'll take off the plastic wrapper so you can see all the sides. There we go. So you can see Pusheen's adorable face. Plants on the top. You can see her tail and toe beans. Very cute. Alright, it comes from Culture Fly. And I'm expecting goodness. Now, I might have to move all my desk clutter. First look. I'm very excited. This was supposed to ship back in April or May, I think, but this is now July and it's just arrived the other day, so keen to get into it. Oh, goodness. Knocking things over. In the lid, we've got Pusheen Box. I can see a few goodies. Oh my goodness. Alright, the biggest thing here, Gardening Pusheen vinyl toy. I do know that every month, every quarter, there is an exclusive, quite large vinyl figurine. I'll save that for later. Okay, first we have here it's a garden sign, very cute. It's metal with sort of turned in edges, so it's sort of not too flimsy. It's quite nice there. It's got Pusheen, etc. on the back. It might be magnetic, so you might be able to write on it or have other decoration. I might just have this in my room, to be honest, because it's super cute. Okay, next here we have super cute. So we've got a t-shirt and it says maybe later, and we have the sloth character with Pusheen. They're chilling out. That is so cute. Hold it up here. What do you think? I've already got my Pusheen hoodie on. That's lovely. Very cool. We've also got another fabric item. We've got a hat, like a bucket hat. And it says slow down, and it's got the sloth character again. Sorry, I don't know its name. Oh, that is so cute. Well, there we go. Something I can wear out in the garden, perhaps on a super sunny day. What do you think? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh! Okay. Oh. We've got Pusheen gardening gloves. Oh my goodness, they are brilliant. I need to do some weeding. We've got fruit trees in pots outside, and they are in some need of some weeding and topping up with compost. So I must do that shortly. I don't know what I'll be wearing now. There we go, and okay, I'm delighted with this. A watering can, metal, with a little swivelly handle, the little holes. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. There we go, tag. Again, very practical. Something I can definitely use to water all my windowsill gardens that I have. Okay, move this aside now. Bring back my goodies. And we have got a little whoop in there. Okay, we've got a Culture Fly sticker just to let us know who supplied the box. And a tool belt. Oh, very cool. see. Oh, so I've got straps. And I wonder if I can use this for art supplies instead. We've got a little. We've got a printed Pusheen gardening trowel. Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Love it. There. Let's see. Okay, so it's. Oh, I see. I see. It's kind of like a pocket, like an apron pocket. So these straps can go around your waist and you can wear it on your front. Here is the design on the front. Isn't that lovely? Gosh, I love these plants. The non-sterile leaves and the little budgies. I see. That is so cute. Alright, last thing is the vinyl toy. So let's have a look. There we go. Oh my goodness! That's really adorable. It's going to have pride of place on display in the house. Pusheen has a little watering can, just watering the tomatoes and lettuce and carrots. What do you think? Totally worth the wait and so adorable. Look at this. Stick around to the end, I'll show you some nice close-up pictures of everything. And again, it's just a one-off, just to treat myself. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing everything here. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.